I welcome you back from the preparation I hope you have learned the preparation, the ingredients, and I hope you have liked the preparation, guys. But before I proceed, my name is Coach Uganda, as usual, on Easy Tips 256, my YouTube channel. So feel free to subscribe, to leave a comment in the comment section, to invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256. Okay, but before I tell you more about the some recipe which you have learned right now, my dear, let me be clear. If you're a man and you don't do exercise, please, starting from today, start doing exercises, because exercising helps you to increase on your performance, to improve on your performance, to make your joystick stiff and strong during bed competition. So if you don't do exercising, if you don't exercise, my dear, it's a right time for you to start exercising. That is one. Secondly, if you're a man and you are good at eating sweet things, my dear, stop eating sweet things. For example, sweets, okay, like taking sweet things, it's not good for your health as a man. These are the things which reduce on your manpower, which makes you to be dormant in the bedroom. So if you eat sweet things, my dear, reduce or stop it permanently. Trust me, if you stop eating sweet things, your performance, you will get better if you follow what I will tell you in this video. If you do what I keep on telling you on my channel, Easy Tips 256. So stop eating sweet things. Third, if you're a man and you are good at taking cold things, for example, Pepsi Cola, Coca-Cola, cold water, things from the fridge, cold things, these things, my dear, are totally dangerous to reduce your manpower. So if you eat or drink cold things, I don't recommend you to keep on eating them. Stop eating cold things. Try your level best to be taking warm things, to be eating warm things or hot things. These are the things which can help you to be a man in the bedroom. Now, let us go back to our home remedy which we have prepared right now. So, I'm requesting you, my dear friend, my dear dad, my dear brother, please, this home recipe which I've told you right now, which we have prepared right now, it doesn't have overdose, it doesn't have side effects, but this home recipe is for short-term results. It means you take it when someone is coming, okay? So you take this home recipe 15 minutes before someone comes, before going to the bedroom. Trust me, your performance will be good. You improve your stamina, you'll get maximum endurance, you'll go for hours in the bedroom. So you take it 15 minutes before entering the bedroom. But I have to be clear, if you have ever done masturbation, this home recipe won't work for you. This recipe works for people who have never done masturbation. So if you have ever done masturbation, trust me, you won't get good results. But you can try, but I recommend to be taken by people who have never done masturbation. But if you did masturbation, it won't work for you, my dear. Am I clear, guys? Okay? Because I told you this home recipe is for short-term results. Okay? Short-term results. So take it 15 minutes before bed time or going to the bedroom. Trust me, you'll be performing like a king in the bedroom and be called different names as usual. So my name is Coach Uganda. Leave a comment in the comment section. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256.